This is week 11 of rebuilding our chest. We're going to do a back off day today, some lighter weight on the flat Smith machine, some assisted pull-ups, and some behind the neck press for some mobility, and then just a couple of accessories for triceps and buys. Because I only got 10 on my first set I was trying to film at 140 on the flat. So my chest obviously needs some time to recover. So we're going to take next week off entirely, and we're just going to do some good blood flow, range of motion work today. Hey, thanks for watching. Remember, sometimes the hardest thing to do is to stop. But you got to listen to your body, and when you need a break, take it. It'll help you in the long run. As always, like and subscribe.